Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you love going to the beach but hate taking the sand home with you, then you're going to love this microfiber beach towel from Sunny. One of my favorite things about this beach towel is the size. This towel takes up a lot less space in your beach bag or in your travel bag, so you really can take this beach towel anywhere you go. Not only is it much thinner than the average beach towel, but it's so much more effective. It's quick drying, so we were able to use it on the beach all day long. You can really see the difference from the average size towel compared to this microfiber beach towel. I love that when we were done with the beach, we simply shook off all of the sand and it easily came off. None of it was embedded in any of the crevices of the towel, and we were able to use it to dry ourselves off as well. Whether you're sitting on it, wrapping it around to dry yourself off, this towel is a game changer. I absolutely love this boho color scheme. It comes in a variety of different shades and prints, so you're bound to find something that you love. So if you're ready to step up your beach game, then I would highly recommend this beach towel from Sunny. And that's my point of view.